Hello everyone. Today I discuss about frame in HTML. What is frame? Why we used frame? Different collection of frame is known as Frameset. Advantages and disadvantages of frame. HTML frames are used to divide your browser window into multiple sections where each section can load a separate HTML document. The main advantage of frames is that it allows the user to view multiple documents within a single web page. Collection of frames in the browser window is known as a Frameset. The window is divided into frames in a similar way. The tables are organized into rows and columns. The disadvantages of frame: sometimes smaller devices cannot manage with frames because their screen is not big enough to be divided up. Your page will be displayed differently on different computers due to different screen resolutions. The browser's back button might not work as the user of. Still, few browsers that do not support frame technology. Frameset is support in HTML5 and later on browser. So let's see using example. Here in HTML tag I start head tag. In head tag give the appropriate title, then frameset tags. In frameset tags different attributes are used. Here I used calls, so your frames are divided into columns. I used 3 different frames, so give 3 different size: 50%, star and 25%. So first part is divided into 50%, second one is star, and third one is 25%. So remaining is 25%. So second portion is considered as a 25% space in frame. 3 different frames are used: frame A, frame B and frame C. There are 3 different HTML files. If a user is using any old browser or any browser which does not support frames, then no frames element should be displayed to the user. So you must place a body element inside the no frames element, because the frameset element is supposed to replace the body element. But if a browser does not understand frameset element, then it should understand what is inside the body element, which is contained in a no frames element. You can put some message for your user having old browser. For example, your browser does not support frames as shown in example. Now let us see what is the output using this example. First open any text editor. Here I open Notepad++, start HTML tag and HTML tag, save this file. I want to save this file in D drive. I make a one folder, name frame, and select that folder and give the file name frameset.html. In HTML tag give the head tag. In head tag give the appropriate title HTML frame, our title tag. Then after start Frameset tag, you can use either columns or calls or rows. Here I used calls and 3 different frames are used, so give 3 different sizes. First 50%, second one is star, and third one is also 25%. Close the Frameset tag. In Frameset tag, use frame tag frame, then give source equal to your different HTML file. I used 3 different files, so just copy and paste. Here I used one file named frame_a.html. Second one is frame_b.html, and third one is frame_c.html. Then gives no frames in case of browser does not support frame tag. No frames, no frames. Inside the no frames, use body tag. Give appropriate message. Your browser does not support frame. So save this file. Now create these 3 files, frame A, frame B and frame C. So just open and take a new file, HTML. Save this file. Save in same location, but it is not compulsory to save all files in same location. If you save this file in different location, then give full path in src attributes. File name is frame_a.html. Then save this file. In this I write simple message in body tag. Welcome to frame A. Save this file. Just copy this file. File, new, paste welcome to frame B. Save this file. Same location. File name is frame_b.html. Save this file. File, new, just change welcome to frame C. Save this file. Give the file name frame_c.html. Then save. Now this frame A.html, frame B.html and frame C.html, all these files with us. So now execute frameset.html file. For execute this file, open any browser, then just write your file path. Here I stored in D drive : / then after directory name means your folder name, frame, and your file name frameset.html, then enter. You show your browser window is divided into 3 different parts. I give first frame size is 50%. So my browser is divided into 50%. Then show the output of frame a.html. Then after star, and third one is 25%. So remaining is also 25%. So in second portion I show the output of frame b.html, and here I see the frame c.html. Here you show that in frame a.html we just write message and give one link and give the target. Then frame B simple welcome to frame B message, and frame C also a message. So I show the output like this. Different attributes are used in frame and frame set tag. First we see the attributes of frame set tags, which are calls, rows, border, frame spacing. In calls attribute specifies how many columns are contained in the frame set and size of each column. Rows attribute works just like the calls attribute and takes the same values, but it is used to specify the rows in the frame set. Border attribute specifies the width of the border of each frame in pixels. Frame border attribute specifies whether a 3-dimensional border should be displayed between the frames. If you specify the value of a frame border equal to 0, then it specifies no border. And last one is frame spacing. This attribute specifies the amount of space between frames in Frameset tag. Different attributes in frame tags are src, name, frame border, margin width, margin height, no resize, scrolling, and long design. src is used to give the file name that should be loaded in the frame. Its value can be in any URL at which place your file is loaded. The name attribute allows you to give a name to the frame. It is used to indicate which frame a document should be loaded into. This is especially important when you want to create links in one frame that load pages into another frame, in which case the second frame needs a name to identify itself as the target of the link. Frame border specifies whether or not the border of that frame are shown. Margin width allows you to specify the width of space between the left and right of the frame's border and the frame's content. Margin height allows you to specify the height of the space between the top and bottom of the frame's border and its contents. The value is given in pixels. No resize. By default, you can resize any frame by clicking and dragging on the borders of a frame. The no resize attribute prevents a user from being able to resize the frame. Scrolling attribute controls the appearance of the scroll bars that appear on the frame. They takes values either yes, no or auto. Long this attribute allows you to provide the link to another page containing a long description of the content of the frame. Here I don't give no resize attribute, so in frame I can resize like this. If I set no resize at this place, just save this file and now refresh this page. Then after drag and drop of this frame is not possible, while others are possible because we don't resize the other frames. Now I put one link and redirect to different frames. A href is equal to give any source. For example, I give frame underscore b.html. Message gives click me. So in frame A you got one link. Click on this link, then redirect it on frame b.html. So save this file and execute frameset.html. So I got here one link. Just click on this. I got the output of frame b.html, which is welcome to frame B. So here I got the message welcome to frame B. But I want to get this message in different frames. I have to give the name of each and every frame. For this, here give the name attribute, name equal to, this one is A. You can give any of name, name B and name C. So name of frame underscore a.html is A, next is B and C. Save this file. At here frame underscore b.html and give target equal to C. Target equal to, then give the reference of frame b.html, name is equal to B and target is equal to C. So output of the frame B is shown in C file. So that shown in third portion, third frame. So just save this file, reload this page. Now I click on this file. I have to change at this place. First, here message is welcome to frame C. After clicking on click me, here I got the message welcome to frame B. If you used rows attribute at this place, save this file and execute this, then your browser is divided into different rows. So you can use any of attributes in Frameset and frame as per our requirement. Thank you.